You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American actor and writer. George Takei is how he pronounces his name, Japanese-American actor. He says that he doesn't object the pronunciation Takei, and I guess in Japanese Takei would be how it would be said in Japanese, but he pronounces it as he's American, so George Takei. No, George Takei. Yeah, George Takei. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.